Hey everyone, welcome to Sharp Minds HQ. I am Mr. Bright Yusuf, your host, and today's topic we'll be discussing more and we'll be listening to another perspective of public advocacy from an elegant student of Walker College, Jessica Guani, and she has also told us that public advocacy doesn't only help the leaders but also helps the students also. Let's get into it.
My name is Wani Jessica. I am honored to address you today on a critical issue that affects us all: access to quality education. Firstly, what is education? Education is the master key that unlocks the treasure chest of human potential, empowering individuals to think, to learn, to grow, and to transform their lives, their community, and the world around them. Yet, despite its importance, education remains a privilege, not a right for many people. In developing countries, over 250 million children are out of schools and millions more are in school but aren't learning. Secondly, what is public policy? Public policy is the deliberate and systematic course of action taken by the government to address a specific problem or achieve a particular goal through laws, programs, and regulations. Now, how can public policy improve access to quality education? Effective public policy can serve as a catalyst in the transformative change in education by increasing funding for education, implementing inclusive education policies. Government can help ensure that every child has access to quality education. For example, the United States is considered to have one of the best educational systems in the world, due to their government prioritization of education and investment in teachers' training. So, what step can we take? We need to recognize the importance of education as a fundamental right. We need to demand that our government prioritize education investment in teachers' training and development, and implementing laws that support equity and inclusion. We need to address the systemic inequalities that prevent marginalized communities from accessing education. That is, working to address racism, sexism, and poverty, and promoting inclusive education systems that values individuality and promotes equity. In conclusion, improving access to quality education through public policy is a complex challenge. It is a tough hurdle, but together we can clear it. Let's work to create a world where every child has access to quality education, regardless of their background or gender. Thank you. Let's strive for excellence and make our dreams reality.
Thank you, Jessica Nwani, for that perspective of public advocacy, and we hope to see you next time. Please, if you have found value in this video or if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe for more impactful videos and important videos from the future generation leaders. We hope to see you next time. Until next time, keep thinking sharp, and I remain your host, Bright Yusuf.